Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce the industrial dose sensors for you. So for the first one, you need to connect to the power supply by the red and the black wires, and we can set the functions to press the S and the Y buttons. And we can set the basic functions by press the S and the Y button at the same time and hold for 2 seconds. 设置一下。We can see the green light flashes 1 time. It means it came into the basic functions. And the green light flashes 1 time, the red light flashes 5 times. It means it came into the test levels. We can see the green light flashes 2 times. It means it came into the installation height. And we can press the S button again. We can see the green light flashes 3 times, and it means it came into the relay parameter settings. We can see the green light flashes 4 times. It means it came into the detection area settings. And we can press the Y buttons to set the levels. We can see the red light flashes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. It means it came into a wide range. And if you want to set the deep functions, you can press the S and the Y buttons for 4 seconds and until you see the red light flashes. We can see the red light flashes 1 time just now. So we can see the green light flashes 1 time. It means it came into the relay holding times and press the S button again. We can see the green light flashes 2 times. It means it came into the direction recognitions. We can see the green light flashes 3 times. It means it came into the lateral motion recognitions. And you press the S buttons, you can set the function numbers, and if you press the Y buttons, you can set the level value. Okay, that's all. Thank you.